In this class, I will explain about the string classes as well as the string handling functions which are available in the Java. Come to the string point of view. The definition of string is like this one. In Java, a string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. Okay. In the remaining languages, the string stands for a sequence of characters only. But in the case of the Java point of view, the string is nothing but it is an object. Okay. Here the by using this object, it represents a sequence of characters here. Okay. Here the always the string is not the primitive data type. It is a class only. Okay. Here we are having primitive data as a byte, int, short, long, float. But here the string is not the primitive data type. Unlike the primitive data types, string is a class defined in the java.lang package. The string class is available in the package. The package name is called as the java.language package. Here these are the two examples are there. String str equals to hello Java. String str2 equals to new string hello Java. Means to create the string object, we are having the two ways are there. The first way is the just write on the string, after that write on the variable name, write on the corresponding data here. We can write the string data in the double quotes here, or we can use the string str2 equals new string. By using the new keyword, we can create the string variable here. Next, come to the characteristics point of view. The string is a immutable. Okay, the immutable meaning is once the string has been created, the string value cannot be changed once it has been created. Once we are creating a string like this one, here I am creating the string str equals to hello Java. If I want to change this one here, if you want to delete the Java, or if you want to add the another data, or if you want to delete the any characters at the time, that will not be allowed. Here the strings are always immutable once the value cannot be changed. Next, stored in the string constant pool for the reusability. When strings are created, they are stored in the string pool here. Whenever they are in the string pool here, the advantage is the reusability. Means we can reuse the corresponding data here. Whenever there is a reusability here at the time, the memory will be saved here. The third one is implement the character sequence comparable and serializable. Means we can implement the character sequence here, we can compare the strings here, we can serialize the strings here. Okay. And one more point is the string is a final class. Okay. Its meaning is it cannot be inherited. Means it doesn't allow the inheritance concept. These are the characteristics of the string class here. Next, come to the string creation methods. Okay, here we are having the two ways are there to create the strings are there. The first one is using string literal. Okay, whenever there is a literal here, always the string is contains the double quotes here. Whenever there is a double quotes here at the time, that string is called string literal here. String s1 equals to hello. S1 is the string variable, and what is data here? Hello. Whenever we are getting a string like this string is stored in the string pool here. Okay, we are having the string pool here. In the string pool, the hello will be stored. In the string pool, hello will be stored. Now this reference is stored in the s1 here. Now the s1 will point to the hello here. Next, using new keyword here. By using the new keyword also, we can create a string here. String s2 equals to new string of hello. Okay, but in this point of view, the string is stored in the heap memory. Okay, in the previous case, the string is stored in the string pool here. In this case, it is stored in the heap memory here. Okay, here the see the difference here. Here also here I wrote the string s1 equals to welcome, string s2 equals to welcome. Here I am creating the two string variables s1 and s2, and what is data here? Welcome. String s1 equals to welcome. Here the welcome will be stored in the string pool here. String pool. Now this has been pointed by the s1 here. This has pointed by the s1 here. Next, s2 equals to welcome. Here the compiler checks that whether the welcome is available in the string pool or not. Yes, it is all available here. Now the reference is given to the s2 here. Means both the s1 and s2 will point to the same object only, same memory only. Okay. In this point of view, string s3 equals to new string welcome, string s4 equals to new string welcome here. Now see the data here. We are having the same data, but even though there is same data here, because of this new keyword, the s3 contains the memory in the heap area to store the welcome. S4 contains memory in the heap area to store the welcome here. In the previous case, both will point to the same object only. Now in this point of view, S3 will point to the welcome object, S4 will point to the welcome object. Even though both are welcome here, They are stored in the separate memory locations here in the heap point of view. This is the difference between the string literal as well as the when we are testing by using the new keyword. Let's come to the string handling functions here. The string class provides the numerous methods for manipulating the strings and working with the strings here. The string class provides the various functions are there. These are the some of the frequently used functions here. The first one is the length function. Okay, all we know about this function here returns the length of the string. Whenever there is a length function, we can find the number of characters within the specified string. Whatever the string we are providing here, in this string, how many characters are available here? We can count the number of characters here. Now, see this one, string s equals to hello. The s data is hello. Int length equals to s dot length. Here the s is the string variable name dot length. Whenever there is a dot length here, it finds the number of characters. Here how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With the length value is the 5 here. Next come to second method here. Character at index here. Returns the characters at the specified index. Whatever the index we are providing here, at this index, whatever the characters available, it displays the corresponding character here. Now see this one here. String s equals to hello. Character c equals to s dot character at of 1 at the index 1. What is the character here? This is the index 0 data, index 1 data, index 2 data, index 3 data, index 4 data. At the index 1, what is character available? E is available. That at the index 1, at the index 1, the available character will be the E here. Now come next one here. Concatenation, CONCAT means concat. Concat string of str concatenates the specified string to the end of the invoking string. Concatenation meaning is the joining, combining. Now see this one here. String s1 equals to hello. String s2 equals to s1 dot concat world. What is s1 data? Hello. After the hello, the world will be added. That is stored in the s2 here. Now the s2 will be the hello world. Next come the next one, equals. Equals an object means it is doing the comparison operation. Compares the string to the specified object. Returns the true if the strings are equal. Otherwise, it returns the false value. Means whenever both the objects data is same, then the return value is the true value. Otherwise, the return value is the false value. Now see this one. String s1 equals to Java. String s2 equals to Java. The S1 data is a Java, S2 data is Java here. Boolean is equals S1 dot equals of S2. What is S1 data? Java. S2 data is a Java. Both are same. Now in this point of view, the value will be the true here. Equals ignore case. Okay. Ignore case nothing but it is not checking that whether it is uppercase or lowercase here. It is checking only the characters only. Compares the string to the other string, ignoring the case considerations here. String s1 equals to Java, string s2 equals to Java. Here the data is same, but in the case of the s1 point of view, j is the capital. In the case of the s2 point of view, j is the small letter here. S1 dot equals ignore case of s2. Here we are ignoring the case here. Now the answer is the true value. But in this case, whenever there is a s1 dot equals of s2, then the answer is the false value. In the previous case, equals method, it is the case sensitive, and this is the case insensitive, means it is not checking the case here. It checks only the content only. The next one, index of, returns the index with the within this string of the first occurrence of the specified substring. Whatever the substring we are providing here, it checks that whether the substring is available or not. If it is available, what is its index number? What is fasting index number here? String s equals to programming. Int index equals to s dot index of gra. Where the gra is available? Yes, it has an available here. What is index number? 0. This is the 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3 here. Are the index 2? The data will be available here. Okay. Next. Substring. Returns a new substring. That is a substring of the string here. Starting from the specified substring. Substring int beginning index, int ending index here. Now see this point of view. Returns a new string that is a substring of string starting from the beginning index up to the last index here. But it is not including the ending index here. String s equals to example. String sub equals to s dot substring of 1 comma 4. Begin at the index 1 where we had moved up to the index 3 only. 1 to the category. What do you want to the category here? Exam. Okay. In the previous case, s dot substring of 3 from the 3 onwards, from the 3 to the ending, from the 3 to the ending means MPLE is answer. In the previous case, we are given only the beginning index only. Now in this case, we are putting the beginning as well as the ending index here. Whenever there is no ending index here, then it will go to the, up to the ending of the string here. Next, come to the two lowercase method here. It converts the all the characters in the string to the two lowercase. It is converting the given data into the lowercase here, lowercase characters here, small letters. String s equals to hello. The s data is the hello capitals. String lower equals to s dot two lowercase. Now this complete data is come to the lowercase here like this one. HELLO. Next. To uppercase. It converts all the characters in the string to the uppercase here. String s equals to hello. The s data is hello here. String upper equals to s dot to uppercase. The s data is converted in the uppercase letters that is stored in the upper value here. Now the upper will be the hello HELLO capital letters. To convert the data into lowercase, use the two lowercase method. To convert the data to uppercase here, then use the two uppercase method. Trim method returns a copy of the string with the leading and trailing white spaces omitted. Means at the beginning, whenever there are the white spaces are there, those will be omitted. At the ending, whenever there are the white spaces are there, they will be omitted. White space nothing but before the string is there are any spaces are there, those are eliminated, those are deleted. After the string is there are any spaces are there, those will be eliminated. String s equals to space trim space me after there is a space here. This is the extra space here. To remove this space, we are using the trim method here. String trimmed equals to s dot trim. Now the trimmed data becomes as the trim me. Observe this one here. There is no space before the t. There is no space after the e here. Starts with string prefix here. Test if the string starts with the specified prefix or not. Like this one. String s equals to developer. Boolean starts equals to s dot starts with dev. Whether s is beginning with the dev or not. Yes, it is beginning with the dev. That's why the answer is true here. If I give the data like this one, s dot starts with ev. Whether ev is a beginning data? No. Then the answer is the false value. Ends with. Test if the string ends with the specified suffix or not. If it is ends with the specified suffix at the time, the answer is a true value. Otherwise, the answer is a false value. String s equals to developer. Boolean ends equals to s dot ends with per. Whether end with p or not, yes, it is available. The answer is a true value. The next one is the replace. Replace old character with the new character here. Returns a new string resulting from replacing all the occurrence of old character string with the new character. Now see this one here. String s equals to banana. String replace equals to s dot replace a comma o. Means wherever the a is available in all those places o will be available here. Replace with the bo, no, no like this one. Replace the old character with the specified new character. The next one is the contains. Returns true if the string contains the specified character. Otherwise, return the false value. This method particularly used for checking the presence of substring within the large string here. Now see this one. String text equals to hello world. Boolean has world. Text dot contains world. Whether world is available or not, yes, the world is available. The answer is a true value. Boolean has Java equals to text dot contains Java. Whether Java is available in the text, we are having only hello world only. The Java is not available. Has Java will be the false value. I wrote the simple code here. String s1 equals to Java programming. I am declaring the string variable s1, and what is the data here? Java programming. System dot out dot println length s1 dot length here. Yes, we are finding the number of characters in the s1 here. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Then the answer is the 16 here. The length is the 16. Next, system dot out dot println uppercase s1 dot to uppercase. This complete it is known as the uppercase letters here. Now see this one. What is answer here? Java programming. That is answer. Next, substring 5 to 16. S1 dot substring of 5 comma 16 from the index 5 onwards. This is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is from the P onwards. From the P onwards, okay, like this one. Programming, that is answer. Next, system dot out dot println contains pro, means whether pro is available or not. S1 dot contains of pro, yes, it is available. Then the answer is a true value. Next, system dot out dot println replace a with the o here. S1 dot replace a comma o. This is the Java programming. The answer is the Java programming. That becomes as answer. I will give summary brief data about this one. String class in Java is for the text manipulation. The strings are the immutable. They can be stored in the string pool here. Immutable meaning is the once the string is created, it will not be changed here. The string class provides the various building method for handling the as well as the comparing the strings here. For the mutable strings, we can go with the string builder or string buffer. In the next class, I will explain all these things.